everyone, welcome to Excel function. Today we are diving into the proper function, a handy tool for making your text look neat and tidy. Whether you are new to Excel or a seasoned user, this function is all about helping you organize your words better. So get ready to learn how to capitalize the first letter of each word in your text with ease. Alright, so as we learned in the last video about hiding and swapping the column, as you can see we have data here, but some of the wordings are hidden. So make sure to go to that video and check how to hide and swap the column. We have two ways of resizing our column. You come here and just drag it like that to the size that you want, or you just come here and double click it and it will automatically resize because we don't have time to waste. Alright, so today we are learning about proper function. So the first thing that you have to do is to come and select the titles of your data, copy it and paste it. Then you come to the first cell and type $, then proper, open the parentheses, click on the first data and then close the parentheses and hit enter. It has given us James Kamau in a proper case. We say proper case, it changes the first letter to capital letters and the rest to small letters. So you just come and drag the same formula on the rest of the cells. Let's resize the cells by double clicking it because it's the easiest way to resize our cell. So you come here, point at this end of the selected data and just drag it down to the end of your data. See, it has given us the perfect proper cases. It is polished, it is neat, it is professional. So what you have to note with proper function is that in case you come and delete now the one that was jangled up, let's delete this one, it will automatically delete this other one. So in case we delete all this data, we will lose this data that we have applied the proper function. So what should we do? What we can do, you come and select the data which you've already polished using the proper function, right click it and copy it. Then come and then right click it and paste, but make sure to paste the values only. If you paste the formatting or the formulas, that means if you delete this other one, it will affect this one. Now what you can do, you can just come and delete the original column. In case you deleted it, if you had pasted it with the formula, it would have given you such error. So what you have to note is that when pasting it, make sure to paste the values only. No problem, you will format it again. That one is very easy to do. Yes, so you just come, delete the other columns so that you can have your data. Let me add the fonts. You can even align it just to make sure that it is in the right. So we can go to add this one. Yes, we now have a very polished, professional, tidy and neat data. In summary, proper function in Excel is a tool that capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string. When we say string, we mean word. It helps to make text more readable and gives a professional look by ensuring consistency, capitalizing each letter of each wording or string with ease. It quickly cleans up and standardizes your text to improve the overall appearance. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to watch the other videos to learn what you missed. Thank you for being a part of our incredible community of learners. Your support means the world to us. Keep watching, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And stay tuned for more exciting content. We couldn't do it without you. Until next time, take care and God bless.